Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a crucial topic in MongoDB, grid sharding. If you're working with large files or high-traffic applications, understanding how to efficiently store and retrieve data is vital for performance and scalability. However, have you ever encountered an issue where your grid's put operation fails due to one of the shards being read-only? Even though the shard key maps to a read-write shard, this problem can be frustrating and challenging to resolve, especially if you're new to MongoDB sharding. In this video, we'll break down the concepts involved in grid sharding, explore why this issue occurs, and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to troubleshoot and resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of MongoDB sharding, GridFs, and how to overcome common challenges. To start with, let's briefly review what GridFs is and why we use it in MongoDB. GridFs is a mechanism for storing large files in MongoDB, allowing us to efficiently store and retrieve files larger than the 16 MB BSUN document size limit. When we enable sharding on our GridFs collection, MongoDB automatically splits our data across multiple shards, enabling horizontal scaling and improved performance. However, when one of the shards becomes read only due to maintenance or some other issue, it can cause problems with our GridFs put operations. Even if the shard key maps to a read-write shard, the operation will still fail, because MongoDB is designed to ensure data consistency across all shards. To understand why this happens, let's dive deeper into how sharding works in MongoDB. When we create a sharded collection, MongoDB automatically creates a config database that stores metadata about our shards, including which shard each chunk of data belongs to. The shard key is used to determine which shard a particular document or file should be stored on. When we perform a GridFs put operation, MongoDB uses the shard key to determine which shard the file should be written to. However, if one of the shards is read-only, the operation will fail because MongoDB cannot guarantee data consistency across all shards. So, how do we resolve this issue? The first step is to identify which shard is causing the problem and why it's in a read-only state. We can use the status command in the Mongo shell to get an overview of our sharded cluster and identify any issues with our shard. Once we've identified the problematic shard, we need to resolve the underlying issue that's causing it to be read-only. This might involve restarting the shard, resolving any network connectivity issues, or addressing disk space problems. To summarize, here are the key points to take away from this video. Grid sharding is a powerful mechanism for storing large files in MongoDB tool. When one of the shards becomes read-only, it can cause problems with GridFs put operations, even if the shard key maps to a read-write shard. Understanding how sharding works in MongoDB and using tools like status can help us identify and resolve issues with our sharded cluster. In troubleshooting and resolving issues with GridFs, sharding in MongoDB requires a deep understanding of how sharding works and the underlying mechanisms that drive it. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to identify and resolve common issues that occur when one of your shards becomes read-only. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more MongoDB tutorials and explanations. Thanks for watching.